In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a file from Microsoft Edge to Microsoft Word. If you have a file or document that you opened or saved using Microsoft Edge and you want to use that content in Microsoft Word, you can move the content by opening the file and transferring it into a Word document. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer and locate the file or document that you want to move to Microsoft Word. Once the file is open, select the content that you want to use. You can highlight the text by clicking and dragging over the content. After selecting the text, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy. This will place the selected content on your clipboard. Now, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your Word document is open, click inside the document where you want the content to appear. Right-click in the document and select Paste. The content that you copied from Microsoft Edge will now appear inside your Word document. After pasting the content, review the document and check that the text appears correctly. Depending on the original file or web page, some formatting may look different after being transferred to Word. You can then adjust the text if needed so that the document has the appearance you want. If the file contains more content that you need to move, you can return to Microsoft Edge, select the additional content, copy it, and then return to Microsoft Word and paste it into the document. Once all the content you need has been transferred, review the document carefully. Check the text, spacing, and overall layout to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, save your Word document so that the transferred content is preserved. This method is useful when you are viewing information in Microsoft Edge and want to continue working with that content in Microsoft Word. Instead of typing everything again, you can copy the necessary content from Edge and paste it directly into your Word document. Keep in mind that this method works best for text and other content that can be selected and copied. The exact formatting may change depending on the type of file or web page you are copying from. And that's how you can move content from Microsoft Edge to Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,